This is a good example of the speed and the power built into each NewCNC brand machine. This material is 1.25 inches thick, white oak, and we're cutting through in a single pass. The standard 12.6 horsepower spindle drives the 30mm cutter through that material with ease. The roughing cycle is finished in under 40 seconds. Next is a tool change. With a single command, the machine stores the hugger and picks up a profile cutter. A traveling carousel tool changer saves time and wear and tear on your machine. The chip-to-chip time on the automatic tool changer is about 20 seconds. All right, the NewCNC machine is back to work, this time with a profile cutter. A single pass leaves a smooth radius even on the end grain. The profiling pass will be completed in about 45 seconds, leaving the complete cycle time under 2 minutes. If you would like to find out more about putting a NewCNC to work in your shop, give us a call. The factory's in Holland, Michigan, 616-994-8844. Or visit our website, www.newcnc.com. CNC routers from NewCNC. We're engineering your competitive edge.